to recover a Facebook page that is permanently deleted. So this was one of the comments I got. This is a video you want to watch to the end if you are a Facebook content creator. Okay, we know that the main goal of every content creator is to make money irrespective of the platform you are. But in this video, I'm specific about Facebook. If you're a content creator on Facebook and you've deleted your page and you want to recover it, listen and listen carefully. This is a video you want to watch to the end. I've been a Facebook content creator for years now. This is a channel you want to subscribe to if you want to know more about content creation, everything social media and the likes. Facebook has two platforms where you can earn. You can either earn from your profile, which is your professional mode, and you can earn from your business page. And you know that profile is what houses your page. As a content creator, the best place to make money if you're a Facebook content creator is using a page, right? A page is flexible. A page has more features than your profile. Your profile is in a single login method, while your page is that when you get to a level that you can no longer handle your page alone, you can add other admins to help you manage your page. If you intend starting content creation on Facebook, the best option is to go for a page so that you have more features and you can assign roles to different people, especially if you don't have time. You can work with people on your page, to make things easy and swift for you as a content creator on Facebook. Here comes the big question. How can you bring back a deleted page on Facebook? Is it possible for you to get your page back if you've totally deleted it? There are two different things here. We have deletion of page and we have deactivation of page. These are two different things if you know about Facebook. Okay, we have deletion of page and we have deactivation of page. So you can deactivate your page, and when you deactivate your page cannot even show on the search. Your page cannot be seen. It's like not having a page because you've deactivated it. So people cannot search for your page and see your page. People cannot even see your video. The pace at which you were before you deactivated your page will remain like that, will be stagnant until you decide to reactivate your page. So when you deactivate your page, it's possible for you to reactivate your page when you decide to. Take for instance, if I deactivate my page and decide to reactivate it in 1 year or whenever, I can do that because I deactivated it. So when you delete your page, this is a different ballgame altogether. There are two different things between deleting and deactivating. And the plain truth about these two different things is that when you deactivate your page, you can reactivate your page. Okay, so let's say deactivation is like semi-gone, but not really gone, not outrightly gone, not totally gone. Your page is not totally gone if you deactivate it, because you can choose to reactivate it back. You can choose to start creating content back when you've decided to. But when you've deleted your page, I'm sorry, you cannot get it back again. There is just one criterion for recovering a deleted Facebook page, and that is if your page was deleted within 30 days. Once your page passes 30 days of deletion, your page is gone and gone forever. If you want to delete your page, they give you options. They ask you questions to be sure whether you want to delete your page. They would ask you whether you want to delete or you want to deactivate. They give you options there. They give you options. Deleting your page means your page has gone and gone forever. Your page is no longer on their server. Remember, you didn't deactivate your page, you deleted your page permanently. That is why whenever you want to delete your page permanently, they make sure that you really want to delete your page because of the kind of questions they put out. Do you really want to delete your page? They give you options. So, to be sure whether you really want to delete your page. If you've deleted your page, knowingly or unknowingly, permanently, I'm sorry, I don't think it's possible for you to get it back. That is just the truth. I don't think it's possible. So if you deleted your page permanently, you cannot get it back. There is nothing you can do to get it back. But if you deactivated your page, there is hope. You can reactivate it yourself. But deletion, no, I don't think. It's not possible. It's not possible for you to get it back. It's off their server. That is why they take their time to ask questions, whether you are really in your right senses, whether you are really sure that you want to delete your page. And they give you options. They tell you the implications of deleting your page, that once it's gone forever. You cannot get it back again. Okay, so if you've deleted your page, okay, I'm sorry, there is nothing you can do. You cannot message Facebook, you cannot do anything. Okay, all you have to do is to go and start building another page. Okay, so if you want to delete your page, you are intending to delete your page and felt that you can get it back whenever you want. Now here is the thing: if you delete your page, have it in mind that you are not going to see that page again. That page has been permanently deleted from Facebook server, meaning that you cannot retrieve it again. You cannot get it again. No matter what you do, you cannot message Facebook, because of course Facebook told you the consequences of deleting your page. They told you that once you deleted it, you can no longer get it back again. But for reactivation and deactivation, they will tell you, okay, you can choose to deactivate it and decide to come back whenever you want. There are options both for page deletion and for page deactivation. If you're creating content on Facebook and decided to take a break, or you don't just want people to see your page again, the best option is to deactivate it as against deleting it, because if you delete it, you are not going to see it again. There is nothing you can do about it, because it's gone and gone forever. Permanently deleted, you cannot see it again. But if the page was deactivated, yes, you can choose to reactivate it in 2 years, in a couple of months, whenever you decide to reactivate it. You cannot bring back a page that is already deleted permanently on Facebook. You cannot bring it back, I'm sorry, okay? But you can reactivate a deactivated page on Facebook. Hope this is clear, okay? So if you want to make such decisions, make sure you read terms and conditions. Make sure you read very well before clicking deleting permanently. Before you delete your page permanently, make sure you read very well. Let your eyes be wide open. See the implications of deleting your page. Knowing that once you delete your page, you are not going to see it again. It's gone and it's gone forever. Okay? So if you deleted your page mistakenly or it was intentional, I'm sorry, you're not going to get it back again. The best thing you can do for yourself is to create another page and start building. Or you can, if you have other pages, you can grow other pages, okay? But for getting it back, I don't think it's possible. There's nothing you can do about it, darling. But if you deactivated your page, like I said, you can reactivate your page. So there are two different things. Deactivating and deleting are two different. When you deactivate, you can reactivate your page. But when you delete your page, you cannot get it back. It's gone and gone forever. Hope this was helpful. If you got anything from this, don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day.